What is a day like in Masinagudi? That is exactly what I'm going to explore today by taking you around the place. Let's get out there and see what are the places that we can explore and what are the things that we can see. Masinagudi is a picturesque destination nestled amidst the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. With its breathtaking landscapes and abundant wildlife, Masinagudi offers a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Moya Dam is located approximately 10 kilometers from Masinagudi. Moya Dam also attracts tourists with its scenic surroundings. The reservoir created by the dam is surrounded by dense forests and rolling hills, creating a serene and picturesque environment. Visitors can enjoy the panoramic views, go for a boat ride, or simply relax in the tranquil ambience of the dam. Built across the Moya River, it serves as a vital water resource for irrigation and drinking water supply to the nearby towns and villages. So I've come to a temple which is famous. Let's go inside and have I was lucky to chance upon a temple which was frequented by Veerappan, the notorious forest bandit in the region of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. He was involved in smuggling, poaching and other criminal activities in the forest. However, he was a religious person as well as he used to visit the temples in the nearby areas and keep in touch with his informers. This was one temple which he used to frequent a lot. This temple is beautifully located inside the forest and when we went in there was no one around, so we couldn't really get to understand the story behind the temple. The Mudumalai National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a part of the larger Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, is a prominent attraction in Masinagudi. It is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including elephants, tigers, leopards, deer, and numerous bird species. Wildlife safaris and jungle treks are popular activities here, providing an opportunity to explore the wilderness and witnessing these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. The local tribal communities, known for their rich culture and tradition, add to the charm of Masinagudi. Just did a flight of 105 steps and go into a temple right behind me. It's called Mudumalai. There was an easy access and a hard access. Easy was to take a jeep and come to the foot of the temple. The hard one was to come to the foothills and climb up. My friends ensured that I lose some weight, so they came to the foothills and have done about 105 steps. Now it's a gradual climb up the natural course of the mountain. As you can see, that's the jeeps. Would have been so much easier, honestly. But these guys made sure I don't take the easy route. And to my bad luck, this is the worst time to climb. It's actually noon. You should be coming here early in the morning or late in the evening. But the view is breathtaking. So I pardon them for the blunder they did. The climb was hard and tough because it's not the regular thing that you do, but then it was worth a while to go up all the way to get the magnificent view atop. The temple was simple and absolutely unique as it has got a fantastic location without any doubt, and this is frequented by locals as well as tourists. The surroundings was just stunning because you were atop a mountain and it was plains all around and you could see the Nilgiris from far away, which stood out. I took a moment over there to get a feel of the wind, the fresh air, the natural surroundings, the absolute peace and tranquility that this place offered. 6 kilometers from Masinagudi is Singara, the location where Paikara power station is situated. The Paikara power station, located near Masinagudi in the Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu, is an important hydroelectric power station that harnesses the energy of the Paikara river. It is a significant contributor to the region's power generation and plays a vital role in meeting the electricity needs of the nearby towns and cities. Besides its role in power generation, the Paikara power station also offers visitors a chance to witness the engineering marvel and the beauty of the surrounding area. However, prior permission is required to enter the place. The only access is through prior permission, for which you have to apply in advance and wait for it. It is a good drive to go on as a scenic location, and as you go through the jungle, you get to see some good sightings. As we did. Plenty of Indian gores on this trip, some of them really coming out and showing themselves off, making it convenient for the visitors to look at them when traveling on jeeps as well. They were a beautiful sight, majestic. So I'm here at Mudumalai Tiger Reserve ticket counter and looking to head out to a safari, a bus safari. It's going to be crowded. There's a lot of rush because of the vacation, but I decided to take that as it's going to be fun. The Mudumalai Tiger Reserve has a reception center through which you can buy your tickets. They have an online provision, but it wasn't working. For some reason, there was too much of crowding happening at the ticket center as they had some technological challenges. I wish they are more organized. And once we picked up the tickets, we got onto the bus and moved on. It was an Eicher bus with a capacity of about 30 people, and we got onto it and then moved on to the main road before taking a diversion into the jungle to see the magnificent animals in their natural habitat. We got to see a lot of Indian gores, some of them at very close proximity, which was a delightful sight. We chanced upon a beautiful peacock on the way, which just appeared out of nowhere. And we did get to see some deers at a remote distance and probably a suspected elephant, but we couldn't confirm the same as it was far away. We also went to the point where the Tiger Reserve has a watchtower from where we could see the Moya waterfalls, which was falling through the black rocks and had a magnificent green background with blue on top. The valley adjoining was deep, and that was a sight, a revelation. Thick vegetation, and it was a beautiful surprise in the middle of the jungle. One of the highlights of the trip, which was not expected. Generally, I'm told it's a good sighting out here. Well, unfortunately, the safari did not go as planned. The animals decided to stay away today, and we got to see only a couple of Indian gores. Couple of good sightings, but I've taken only one, as you have seen, and the only saving grace was the waterfall, which was a revelation. What lit up the entire journey was the performance of a male peacock who was trying to court a hen peacock. It was a marvelous sight, and lucky for me, it was as if dancing to the tune and responding to the request made by me.
Turn around, my dear, turn around. This way, this way, this way, turn around to the left, left, left. Beautiful, beautiful. Once more, once more, once more. Come on, come on, come on, my dear. Turn around, turn around. Come on, we're waiting. Yeah! Wow, wow.
Did you get that?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yep. Once more. Once more.
Yes.
Once more. Yeah.
Well, the day in Mudumalai turned out to be quite an interesting one, with a lot of explorations around Mudumalai and into Mudumalai as well. And that is what you saw in this vlog. It was too exhaustive. I perspired a lot because it was a hot sunny day and I was all out in the sun. And thanks to my friends, I had to climb up all the hill and I was so sweaty that I had to get into the shower as soon as I got back. Well, in a nutshell, it's a fabulous place, experiential place, naturally endowed with wonderful flora and fauna. Unfortunately for me, the safari into Mudumalai Tiger Reserve did not yield results as expected, but there are no complaints because we are actually intruding into the wild property and it is up to them to show up or not. But I am told this is one place where the sighting is fantastic. In fact, I was extremely lucky getting all the sightings outside the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, and the peacock was the icing on the cake. It wasn't cloudy, but he performed and he listened. But then I got what I wanted, and I hope you enjoyed. So do like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until we meet next time, this is bye-bye from Shailesh.